Hi, Miss Crane again. In this video, I just want to teach you about some different kind of words that some of you may be seeing in the books that you're reading. They are called magic E words. So there's a little bit of magic with the magic E words. That's why we call them magic E, and I'm going to explain that magic to you in this video. Before I do that, though, I want to just review the vowels and their two sounds because that's going to be important in reading magic E words. So let's do that now, and then I'll talk to you about magic E. So I says it and its name I. O says ah and O. U says and U. A says and A. E says and E. Okay, so we are going to use our blending board to make some words, and we're going to change words into magic E words. So let me tell you a little bit about what that means. All right, so when you have, sorry you can't really see me, but it's more important for you to see the words. When you have a one-syllable word that has a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant with an E on the end, that's called a magic E word, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute. So what happens is, this is magic E. It's like a little wizard sprinkling his magic. So when the word is like this and it's one syllable, the vowel in the middle says it's short sound. So this word would be it, bit. That I is blocked in by the T. He can't get out to say his name. So magic E comes along and he gives him all of his power, gives all the power to the I, or this vowel, so that this vowel can step out and say its name nice and loud. What happens is, this magic E on the end of the word doesn't make a sound because he's so tired and so weak from giving all of his power to this vowel. So we started with it. But when magic E comes along and gives his power to the I, this word changes to I. So this vowel now says I because of this magic E. But this E doesn't make a sound. All right, let's try another one. Okay, so this word, you can blend it with me. Rod. Well, magic E comes along, gives all of his power to this O, so he can shout out his name. So then the word becomes rod. No sound from the E. So we went from rod to magic E, making it say road. Okay, let's try another one. I like magic E words. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, blend it with me. Cut. What do you think it's going to be when magic E comes along? Let's see. So magic E comes, gives all of his power to that U so he can say its name. He sits here on the end nice and quiet. Let's see what the word is now. Cute. Like that dog is so cute. So we started with cut, but now the U has all the power from the magic E so he can say his name. Cute. Let's try one more. Okay, let's blend this one. Can you help me? An, man. What's going to happen when Magic E comes along? Here comes Magic E. Gives his power to the A. Now let's see what the word is. Ain. Mane. Do you know what a mane is? This kind of mane that is spelled M-A-N-E is like the mane on a horse. So all that nice hair that goes down a horse's neck is called a mane. So we had man. Magic E came along and changed it to mane. I think Magic E is so fun. All right, I want to try one more if I can find the letters quickly. Let's see. Okay. All right, let's try this last word. Stretch it with me, or blend it with me. Pet. Pet. Like your dog might be your pet. Your fish might be your pet. Your cow might be your pet. Cats, pigs. Let's see what happens when Magic E comes along. Gives all this power to this E. Let's see what the word becomes now. Eat. Pete. Do you know anybody named Pete? That's somebody's name, which means really this P should be a capital letter because we know all names begin with a capital letter. For our blending board, we don't have capital letters, but we know Pete is a boy's name. So we went from pet to Pete. Whoops, got carried away. Pete. So I would love for you to start looking for Magic E words in the books that you read. And if you come to a Magic E word and you're trying to figure out what it is, just remember, if it's a one-syllable word and it starts with a consonant and then a vowel and then a consonant and then ends with an E, that E is probably a Magic E, and it's going to change the sound of this vowel. It's going to make it say its name. And that'll help you figure that word out. Also, if your parents can help you go to YouTube and type in Nessy, N-E-S-S-Y, reading strategy, Magic E, then it'll bring up a really cool short video that kind of explains Magic E. It's also linked on your NTI menu for these next 2 weeks. So if they need to look on there, they can. So I hope you'll be looking for those Magic E words and have fun reading them. And I hope this video is helpful. Bye.